Now we are going to measure the accuracy of the linear guideways. First, we assemble the micrometer gauge. The micrometer gauge needs to be calibrated, and within the qualifying period of validity, mount the micrometer gauge on the gimbal base. Tighten the knob. Attach the magnetic base of the mounted micrometer gauge gimbal to the block. At the same time, hit the universal joint micrometer gauge pointer on the marble platform. Alignment micrometer gauge. And zeroed out. Now pull the slider. Observe the magnitude of the pointer deflection after the slider is moved. Next, we start measuring the accuracy of the side of the linear rail. As last time, the micrometer gauge is zeroed after assembly, side of the needle touching the rail. Start pulling the slider. At the same time, observe the deflection of the micrometer gauge needle. Finally, we measure the isometric of the slider. Firstly, mount the dial indicator on a calibrated standard height gauge. Adjust the height of the dial indicator. Contact on top of the slider. Zeroing of dial indicator. And then, the height gauge points to the height. Now, slow move height gauge. At the same time, contact the side pins with the upper surface of the slider. Observe the deflection of the needle. Now dial indicator zeroing. The height gauge limit the height. Slow moving height gauge. Observe the height rise and fall of the slider.